Welcome back to the channel, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in global SUVs, car tech, and all things on four wheels. If you're someone who appreciates smart design, efficient engineering, and practical innovation, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride review or deep dive. Today, we're talking about the 2025 Mitsubishi XForce, a compact crossover that's turning heads with its bold styling, spacious interior, and urban-friendly dimensions. Designed primarily for Southeast Asian markets, this SUV might not be the biggest in size, but it delivers big in features, comfort, and value. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Mitsubishi XForce carries the brand's signature, dynamic shield front fascia, now updated with a futuristic edge. The LED T-shaped headlights and integrated daytime running lights give the XForce a strong, angular presence. A large black grille and bold bumper design add aggression, while a sloping roofline and high shoulder lines give it a sleek, modern profile. From the rear, wraparound LED taillights and a roof-mounted spoiler complete the look, giving the vehicle a sporty yet rugged aesthetic. In terms of size, the XForce is just over 4.39 meters long, 1.81 meters wide, and 1.66 meters tall, with a wheelbase of 2.65 meters. It's clearly compact enough to navigate tight city streets, but thanks to clever engineering, it offers surprising space inside for both passengers and cargo. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels upscale and well thought out. The dashboard features a clean, horizontal layout with soft-touch materials and stylish accents. At the center, you'll find a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, flanked by a fully digital instrument cluster that's crisp and customizable. Dual-zone climate control, a wireless phone charger, ambient lighting, and multiple USB ports make this a very tech-friendly environment. Seating is generous for a compact SUV. The front seats are nicely bolstered and offer plenty of support for daily driving. In the back, there's good headroom and legroom for adults, with rear AC vents and a reclining seat back. Features you don't always find in this segment. The cargo space is also competitive, with a flat load floor and flexible 60/40 split folding rear seats that expand trunk capacity when needed. When it comes to performance, the 2025 XForce is powered by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder petrol engine, delivering around 103 horsepower and 141 Nm of torque. It's mated to a smooth CVT transmission that focuses on fuel efficiency and ease of driving, especially in stop-and-go urban traffic. While it's not built for high performance, the XForce feels balanced and composed for city commutes and occasional highway cruising. What really stands out, though, is Mitsubishi's attention to ride quality. The XForce comes with a specially tuned suspension system designed for rough roads and speed bumps common in emerging markets. Combined with 18-inch alloy wheels and decent ground clearance, the ride is smooth and stable, even on less than perfect roads. In terms of safety, Mitsubishi has equipped the XForce with a solid range of features. This includes forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, hill start assist, ABS with EBD, and a 360-degree camera system in higher trims. While not fully autonomous, it offers enough support to make driving easier and safer for most users. To sum it all up, the 2025 Mitsubishi XForce is a smart, stylish, and sensible crossover that delivers great value for money. It's aimed at drivers who want practicality, comfort, and a bit of flair, without breaking the bank. Perfect for young professionals, small families, or anyone looking to upgrade from a smaller hatchback into something more versatile. So what do you think of the 2025 Mitsubishi XForce? Would you consider it over competitors like the Honda HR-V or Toyota Yaris Cross? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews, comparisons, and updates from around the automotive world. Until next time, keep driving smart and stay curious.